Hi guys, welcome back to another contact lens review. It's been a while and I'm not going to talk too much. I've read comments, I've seen your guys' feedback and I appreciate it. But yeah, I'm just going to get right into the contact lens review for you guys. These contacts were actually sent to me by Freshtone. They did give me a little code to enter in to get 2 lenses that I can try out. I had already been a huge fan of Freshtone's lenses that I had purchased on my own. I don't know if you guys had seen my other videos on the aloe vera lenses. Those were by Freshtone. And I also have a few photos on my Instagram using those lenses. And then the other ones that I had done were the color Butter. So I have 2 pair that I purchased on my own, and then I was also able to choose 2 pair to order and try out for you guys. So the other ones that I have here are in the color Sapphire, and they're the Freshtone 2-tone lens. I don't have the packaging that it came in because I've had them for like 2 months and I've worn them so frequently, I ended up throwing them away. As always, I have them soaking in my solution. I just happen to use whatever is on sale at the time. Yeah, that's just to keep your lenses nice and sanitary. This is my natural eye color. And this is with my Diva ring light on right now. I'm going to lower the lighting as well so you can see what my eyes look like in lower lighting. I'm going to turn the lights up really bright. So if your eyes are similar in color to mine, then these lenses should look pretty similar on you. Now keep in mind, I have put out videos before where people have left comments like, oh my god, like I bought these contacts and they don't look like that on me. But that's because everyone's eye color is different. Like everyone has a different shade or multiple shades in their eyes. So of course the lenses are going to look different on you. Not everyone has the same exact color eye. So for those of you who are hoping that the lenses are going to look just like this on you, they might not. But this is what they look like on me. And yeah, let's get started. Make sure you guys are washing your hands before you're handling your contact lenses. Make sure that you're cleaning them thoroughly and that you are making sure that the lens is like a bowl shape rather than like opposite. Saturate your lens with a little bit of solution before you put it in your eye because you don't want to put a dry contact in your eye. It's going to hurt, trust me. Got a little bit of solution in there. Just going to open my eye and plop that right in. Okay, so I have lens 1 in right now. Let me go ahead and put the other lens in for you guys so you can see what it looks like. And boom, it's in. Alright, so these are the lenses in my eyes with my Diva ring lighting. It's probably going to take a few seconds for my eyes to kind of stop watering a little bit, but yeah. These contacts are the Freshtone 2-tone Sapphire. And I usually don't like blue contact lenses on me because I feel like they look super fake and super like unnatural. But these lenses have a really pretty blend factor to them. So like I don't mind wearing these lenses. The only issue I have with them, to be honest, is, as you guys have seen in my previous videos, or if not, I'll just tell you right now, I always mention this because it's a huge factor. I do have astigmatism in both eyes. So far in California or in the US, not a lot of companies make lenses in color for astigmatism prescription. I don't know why they used to, but it's just not really a thing anymore. So I used to order mine from Italy, like Desio and Solotica, because they do sell astigmatism lenses, but they're so expensive. So normally when I want a fun color for my eyes, it's usually just for cosmetic purposes, not for actual sight. But anyway, the only issue that I have with these lenses based on my own prescription is that I just feel it shift occasionally, but if I blink, it kind of shifts back into place. So this eye doesn't move at all. I don't know what the difference is or why, but it's only in this eye. And I've tried rotating the lenses to see if they make a difference, but it's the same thing. If I put this lens in this eye, then this one shifts. If I put this in this eye, then that one shifts. So it's just this one contact that kind of, the measuring or the color painted into the lens is probably just slightly off than the other one. But let me go ahead and zoom you in so you can see what they look like. This is what the lenses look like without being super zoomed in really low, but still like a ring light. You know what I mean? They're very comfortable. I don't feel like my eyes are irritated in any way. I'm looking around, up and down, and they're not moving around super crazy. So I mean, if you wanted to try them on just for like cosmetic purposes, don't take my word for it. Just go and try them. Their prices are pretty good on Freshtone's website as well. There's different manufacturers that sell the lenses. If you guys want to check them out, go to their Instagram. I'll link them right here. And then I'll also have the link for these lenses down below so you guys can go ahead and order as well. I don't remember if they gave me a code. I don't remember if I was given one, but if not, I mean, just go buy them anyway. I'm not trying to do this for like reimbursement. I just want to share the fact that I freaking love these lenses so much. But yeah, let's zoom in. So these are the lenses super zoomed in. And then I'm going to turn the lights even brighter. Well, if you look really close, you can see the colors that I'm talking about. They're two-tone because if you look on the inside, there's like a little bit of a brownish grayish on the inside that helps to blend my natural color, and then it blends out into the blue color. It's not like a bright blue. It's a sapphire, as what they say. It's like a more of a dusty kind of muted grayish blue, which is a lot more natural on like fair skin or someone with my natural eye color, because it blends the browns into the blues a lot better than a straight up like blue contact lens. That's my natural eye color. Sorry if that's super cringy, but I feel like it helps to show you the color. So this is back down to like really low lighting with my ring light. And then I'm going to turn it off completely. This is what it looks like with no ring lighting. It's about 7 o'clock right now, but this is what they look like in low lighting, like just window lighting. And I have one bedroom light on that has a little bit of a yellow light to it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and take a video on my cell phone using the front side camera in just regular window lighting so that you guys can kind of see what they look like, you know, without a fancy camera, just like with a cell phone, I guess. And then that way you can decide whether or not you think they look good. This is what it looks like when I'm looking out my window at an arm's distance away from the camera. And then if I zoom in for you guys, this is what the lenses look like up close, with just regular natural sunlight from the window. I'll bring the brightness on my phone down a little bit. And then bring it back up. And this is just regular brightness on my phone, like it's right in the middle. And yeah, so these are the Freshtone lenses. They're the two-tone in Sapphire. With the light behind me, this is what they look like. Zoom you guys in. But so far, now that they've adjusted in my eyes, they're super comfortable. I've had these for quite a while, so I've been wearing them, and they're really comfortable. I've worn these again for about 12 to 14 hours a day. So wearing them for long periods of time and then coming home and leaving them in for even a few more hours before I decide to take off my makeup and wash my face and all of that ish. But yeah, I absolutely love these lenses. I have so many lenses, you guys. Like, I order lenses all the time, and a lot of them don't even make it to a video because I try them for at least a week to 2 weeks, and if I don't like them and they're not comfortable, I don't do a video on them because it's a waste of my time. So I throw them away. But the ones I do like, I save them and I label them so that I can remember to make a video for you guys so you guys can see what lenses are my favorites, and then you can try them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I gave you some useful information. If you guys are interested in any more details about the company, you guys can check out their website. I'll leave it below so you can read up on how long you can wear the lenses, how long they last, how long shipping takes, all that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any other questions or suggestions for more videos or any contacts that you would like to recommend to me, leave them in the comments below and I'll check them out and have another video out for you soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!